Let me be direct with you. If you have Googled, will AI replace medical coders in last 6 months? You're not alone. Millions have. And most of what you found was either panic disguised as generalism or optimism disguised as marketing. Neither will serve you. Here's what actually happening. The global healthcare industry generates 30% of world's data volume. 30%. And that number is doubling every 2 years. Somebody or something has to make sense of it. The question isn't whether medical coding survives in 2030 or not. The question is which version of you survives with it. I am speaking of the students starting at their CPC prep material at midnight, to the coder with 5 years of experience wondering if their skill set has an expiry date, to everyone who invested in this profession and now feels the ground is shifting. This is your real signal check, not a reassurance, a recalibration. Okay, let's look at what the market is actually saying. Let's talk numbers, because anxiety doesn't survive data. According to Global Industry Analytics from Grand View Research, the medical coding market is projected to skyrocket to $71.4 billion by 2030. That is not a dying industry. That is an explosive doubling. Why? Because chronic disease prevalence is skyrocketing. Aging populations are generating multi-system, multi-diagnosis encounters that no simple algorithm can cleanly abstract. At the same time, ICD-11 is rolling out globally, introducing a coding architecture more granular and complex than anything we have ever seen. Payer providers dispute over claim accuracy and intensifying, not softening. Regulation doesn't retreat, it compounds. Automation does not reduce the need for medical expertise in coding, it raises the standard for it. It eliminates the ceiling for those who choose to evolve. What AI can and cannot do. Artificial intelligence is exceptional at pattern recognition. Give it 10,000 identical radiology reports and it will code them with a speed no human can ever match. Repetitive, structured, predictable. AI owns that territory now. Accept it. But medicine is not a clean pattern. Medicine is a messy conversation between pathology, pharmacology, physician judgment, and patient history. Consider this scenario. A 67-year-old diabetic patient presents with sepsis secondary to foot ulcer. A clinician note the fragments. There is an immediate query on the principal diagnosis. The comorbidities interact. The social determinants of health are buried deep in a nursing note on page number 4. No large language model navigates that chaos without a trained human in the loop. Dr. Eric Topol, one of the world's foremost digital medicine researcher, puts it precisely. AI will augment human professionals. It will not replace the cognitive structure that makes clinical decisions trustworthy. The exact same principle applies to coding. The calculator did not eliminate mathematicians. It elevated them from basic arithmetic to advanced analysis. Automated accounting softwares did not end the accountant's career. It ended the accountants who refused to become a strategist. You are not a calculator. Don't behave like one. From data entry to data auditing. This is where the shift is going to happen. Let me tell you about Priya. That's not her real name, by the way. We have changed a few details for privacy, but her story reflects what many coding professionals experienced when AI started becoming a serious conversation in healthcare. Priya had 4 years of coding experience. She was fast, accurate, dependable, but when computer-assisted coding tools entered her hospital revenue cycle workflow, she started wondering where she fit into her future. Instead of resisting the change, she leaned into it. She spent the next few months learning denial management, AI output auditing, and clinical documentation improvement. Today, she reviews AI-generated coding suggestions, identifies billing patterns that require human judgment, and supports compliance teams. She did not compete with the machine. She became the person validating the machine. That is the 2030 medical coder, not an abstractor, an auditor, not a data entry operator, a data integrity specialist. The title is evolving, the expertise is deepening, and the opportunities are growing with it. Your 2030 competency roadmap, if you want to future proof your career, here's the skill matrix you need to master. 1. Advanced clinical comprehension. Move beyond code lookup. Understand pathophysiology. Understand pharmacology. Know why the diagnosis was made, not just what it maps to. 2. Denial management and revenue integrity. The revenue cycle is where coders prove their value at scale. Claim denial patterns, prayer behavior, audit readiness. This is where your expertise translates directly to organizational revenue. Third is AI assist check. Now, you have to learn how to evaluate computer assisted coding outputs critically. Understand where automated systems excel and where they fail. Know when to validate a suggestion, when to override it, and how to justify your decision with clinical documentation. The future medical coder won't compete with AI, they will supervise it. 4. Regulatory intelligence. ICD 11, updated CMS guidelines, OIG audit priorities. Coder who tracks compliance evolution is irreplaceable. The coder who waits to be told as disposable. Bangalore sits at the intersection of biotech, health tech, and global RCM operations. The professionals trained here are operating inside the multinational CROs, hospital networks, and health tech startups simultaneously. That's not a coincidence. That is an ecosystem advantage. So, what's the takeaway? Medical coding in 2030 is absolutely existing here. It will be more intellectually demanding, more clinically integrated, and far more strategically positioned within the healthcare operations. It will be occupied by fewer but far more capable professionals, the ones who made the shift early, who stopped memorizing and started interpreting, who understood that machine is a tool, not a threat. If you are skilled enough to wield it, the anxiety you feel right now, that is intelligence recognizing change before it arrives. Don't suppress it, redirect it. Your next step: explore what advanced industry aligned training in clinical data management and AI integrated healthcare operations actually looks like. Head over to CliniLaunch, look at the advanced curriculum, and convert your career anxiety into an elite competitive edge. That single decision separates the coders who merely survives in 2030 from those who define it. Thank you.